Welcome to this Management and HR training video on SPRE 2025 and the ESIC wage definition based on the Code on Social Security 2020.
Our agenda covers an overview of SPRE 2025, the new definition of wages, the 50% rule, ESI eligibility, contribution rates, detailed calculation examples, and key takeaways for management and HR. SPRE stands for the Scheme for Promotion of Registration of Employers and Employees. This is a one-time compliance opportunity launched by ESIC to encourage voluntary registration. SPRE 2025 is valid from July 1st, 2025 to December 31st, 2025. It applies to unregistered establishments and employees, and registration is available online via ESIC, Shram Suvida, or MCA portals. Key benefits of SPRE 2025 include no demand for past ESIC dues, immunity from past inspections and penalties, a hassle-free online registration process, and immediate Social Security benefits for employees. The new definition of wages, as per Section 288 of the Code on Social Security 2020, standardizes the definition across all Social Security laws, which directly impacts ESIC contribution calculations. The components included in wages are basic pay, dearness allowance, and retaining allowance, if applicable. Components generally excluded from wages, subject to the 50% rule, include HRA, conveyance, overtime, commission, statutory bonus, employer's PF/pension contribution, gratuity, and other amenities. The important 50% rule dictates that excluded components cannot exceed 50% of the total remuneration. Any excess amount is added back to wages, ensuring fair and uniform Social Security coverage. This chart illustrates how the 50% rule divides the salary structure between included and excluded components. ESI contribution rates are 0.75% of wages for the employee and 3.25% of wages for the employer. These rates apply if the calculated wages are less than or equal to 21,000 rupees. In example 1, with a total remuneration of 20,000 rupees, the excluded portion is 8,000 rupees, which is less than the 50% limit. Thus, there is no add-back, and ESI wages remain 12,000 rupees. Example 2 shows a total remuneration of 20,000 rupees, with 12,000 rupees excluded. Since this exceeds 50%, an add-back of 2,000 rupees is required. The ESI wages are then 10,000 rupees. Example 3 involves high allowances, where an add-back of 1,000 rupees is required. The total ESI wages are 10,000 rupees, meaning the employee is within the ESI contribution limit. In example 4, despite a large total remuneration, the ESI wages after add-back are 23,000 rupees, exceeding the 21,000 rupee limit. Therefore, the employee is exempted from ESIC. Example 5 shows a total remuneration above 21,000 rupees, but the ESI wages after add-back are 15,000 rupees, making ESI applicable, with a total contribution of 600 rupees. Example 6 illustrates a high total remuneration of 40,000 rupees. The ESI wages after add-back are 20,000 rupees, which is below the limit. The total ESI contribution is 800 rupees. Key takeaways include that salary structuring impacts ESIC applicability, employees above 21,000 rupees in total remuneration may still fall under ESIC, and SPRE 2025 provides a risk-free compliance opportunity requiring immediate action before December 31st, 2025.